Alright guys, this is Applied. I'm going to show you how to make art for your panels on Twitch. Excuse the tie and suit, I just got home from work. But, so, let's do it. Say you have a subscribe button, so let's make this 400 by 75. Just so it's like a little rectangle there. Okay, you want to make a new layer down here in the corner, because that's going to be your background. In this new layer we're going to do text, so find the right font you want. You can download fonts from dafont.com, which will be in the description. Find your right size, everything you like, and comment below if you want to see videos on how to do that, download from Dafont. But let's see, let's make subscribe. I'm using Blocks font, which you can find on dafont.com. We're gonna add an effect to it. We're gonna drop shadow, which you can download. Let's do like a blue. Okay, so it's gonna start off like when you first use drop shadow. That's 5.5, which you don't really want it like that, so you just take it to 0.0. And then widen the radius so it gives it like the outline to what you're comfortable with, which I usually do 1 for the outline. And hit OK. And we're gonna hit drop shadow again, like this. It's gonna add like another layer to it, and then you can do like white. Let's do a color we can see here. Okay, let's do red. And with the blue radius, what it does is it makes like a shadow, which if you do like a black background, you can do like a white shadow. So take that to 10. I usually like to take this one to 3, but whichever one you like. Let's do it like this. Now with this being a new layer, you can select the move tool and move just the words to even it out when you're done. But then we're going to go back to the background, so you select the background. And we're going to put some effects in it, add some clouds. So now it looks kind of smoky, you see? I'm going to have to move this one a little bit. Alright, so now you see it's a background like that. So you can add more effects to it, or even images if you have an image you want to use. We're going to add tiles to it, just so it gives it some look to it. Alright, so it's right there. We have our just fast, easy little subscribe, which you can put more effort into it. For this video, I'm just showing you the basics. So you can add images. I suggest your own just to make it more creative. And when you save this, we're going to save it to panel. We're going to make this subscribe. We're going to say pro, because this you're saving as a project. So pro for project, and you hit save. Now you're going to go back and save as. It's going to save the same spot, but change this to GIF. And add like 2 to it. What the GIF is going to do is, for when you actually save it to use it, it's going to ask you to flatten. Which what it means is it takes the layers into one layer. And the reason you save the project first is so that you can come back to edit the image if you want to change it. If you don't do that and just save it as a GIF, it'll just flatten it straight out, so you can't come back and edit. So this way you have the actual image flattened, and then you have the project if you want to change it. So you flatten it. And then we're going to come to our Twitch over here. You're going to hit edit panels. It's right under your channel. You have all this stuff. You're going to hit the big plus to add a panel, add text or image. Now you can hit add image. It's going to bring you to most likely where you've been uploading the images. Click subscribe. You can show how much you want. You can minimize it, I just do the full thing because it's a nice size. Subscribe. You can add descriptions like make sure to subscribe. Don't forget about Twitch Prime, we'll say. And then you're gonna hit submit. And then after you do that, it's all set, so you can, once it loads. Okay, now you hit edit panels again to show, and it'll pop up right there. And if you want to know how to make a bulletin point, that's easy too. Just put an asterisk in front and then space. If you don't space, it'll show the actual asterisk. But when you space it like that, it'll show the little bulletin point. But that's just the quick, fast, easy way to do it. Like the video, comment below what other videos I should make. I can show you how to download Drop Shadow, show you how to do more in-depth art like headers for Twitter. Just let me know below, and thank you for watching.